Barbecue fam. Today we're doing up a Porterhouse steak on the Z-Grill 700D30. Hell yeah, and we're using hickory pellets. Set your Z-Grill's pellet grill on the smoke setting and let's get this thing fired up. We're going up to 275. We're gonna smoke this guy maybe 250. Let's do that. And we're going for a 110 degree internal temperature on this Porterhouse. And then we're gonna pull everything out and we're gonna sear it off. So season up your Porterhouse with your favorite rub. I'm using Uncle Steve's Cow Shake. Oh hell yeah, the competition blend is amazing for beef. Let's get a probe in the side of the strip and then we're gonna put it in strip facing the hot spot in the center of this pellet grill. We're using the Thermoworks Smoke X4. Oh hell yeah. Don't go too deep because you don't want to touch the bone in the center of this Porterhouse. We're reading 267 in the grill. Let's get it out. Oh, thanks for letting us know. I didn't shut the alarm part off on that. That is the greatest function on the Smoke X4. You can shut the alarms off so there's no noise. It just lights up the LCD screen. Oh, I hate the loud noises that most temps, the temperature gauges, all of them out there pretty much have, and you can't shut them off. Thermoworks, oh hell yeah. So when we put this Porterhouse on, be in mind where the heat's coming from inside this pellet grill, right dead center. And then you want to use the thickest side facing it. So we're going to kick it off to either side, left or right. I'm going to go to the right hand side. I'm going to have the New York strip part of the Porterhouse facing it. It's got a nice fat cap to protect the meat. And the other side is that tenderloin, which is going to be a super tender cut. You don't want to dry that out. Oh hell no. So we're gonna go to about 110 internal. We're gonna pull it, let it set for a minute while I pull everything out of this grill. And we're gonna try to get some kind of griddle above that pot. And I think I have a solution. We're at 110. Let's pull it. This is where I pull everything out. Oh boy. This is all hot, so protect yourself. Quickly grab, slide, pull out. Bam, try something new. Will it work? All right, so what I propped in there was that GMG Green Mountain Grills raised rack gimmick. We're getting the temp boosted up to about 450, as high as it goes. Boost it up, slap that steak in there. Oh, this Porterhouse is gonna rock. We're over 400 degrees. Let's put this Porterhouse on and sear the hell out of it. Let your Porterhouse rest at least 5 minutes and let's get into this. My goodness, the smell, the aroma is awesome. Let's get a hunk of that tenderloin. Around that butter. Ooh. Doesn't get any better than that, folks. Come on. Damn. Want to check the temp after it's been resting? $140, $141, $142. Let's get into the strip. Oh, look at the juice. Oh yeah. Let's get a hunk of that with some of the fat. Oh hell yeah, folks. This is a killer. Killer Porterhouse. Oh hell yeah. So everyone, if you're looking to impress somebody, go grab yourself a Porterhouse, get your pellet grill ripping, and customize it a little bit, sear it, get it to about 135 after the rest. Oh. That's killer. I'll catch you guys on the next cook. Oh hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
So set your smoke function on. So set your Z Grills pellet grill on. Set